Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So we've got two different ways to block a number. I'll show you both of course, and I'd like to start with the contact list. So here we can block the number which we've got currently saved. Let's open your contacts, find the contact and tap on it of course, and then pick those four icons here, more options. Now let's tap on block contacts, and as you can see, you do not even have to confirm anything. Your device will immediately block the number, which simply means that from now on you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. And of course you can unblock it the same way here, remove from block list, but let's leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So in order to perform the second way to block a number, which is kind of manual, we have to enter the phone here, tap on the four dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on blocked. And as you can see here, we've got call block rules and message block rules. If you want, you can set them right now. So in the call block rules, you can decide whether you want your device to block all incoming calls, unknown numbers or private withheld numbers just by using those switchers, and the same situation with messages, but here you can only block unknown numbers. Here we've got also the settings in the right upper corner, and that's what we have to tap on if we want to enter the blacklist. So here we've got our blacklist and the trust list, but I will focus on the blacklist. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got the information about the Lala, which is a blocked contact from our contact list. You can also check the information about how much blocked calls you've got or blocked messages. And here, as I said, you can add the number manually. So let's simply tap on add. And here you've got the manual option. You can block prefix also, you can add from contacts, but this option is slightly different than the previous one I've shown you, because here you can block a lot of calls in a lot of contacts, in a row. So you don't have to do it manually one by one, just mark even all contacts you've got saved and then simply block them. You can add from call log or the messages, up to you. I just wanted to show you the manual option. So let's tap on it, and as you can simply enter the number, or you can paste it here if you've got it copied. So let's tap on OK, and the same situation, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. After tapping on it, I just wanted to show you how to remove it. So you have to tap on it and hold it until you will be transferred to this kind of customization mode. You can mark those which you'd like to remove, simply tap on it and tap on remove. As you can see, the block list is empty right now. And yeah, and basically that will be all. This is how to block a number in your HUAWEI Nova 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.